I have sent the RF signal IR signal from this remote code. There is getting the IR receiver and convert it into binary and receive it and transmit through this LED and receive through the LDR. It can operate this module 1, module 2. So I am sending the module 1 a binary code. This was transmitted to second module. We can see also from our serial monitor there is nothing, and I am pressing it. So here you can see the logic low is generated. Logic low is generated.